Rowserworld.
Hello, my friend, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. And today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a picture of none other than Loki by popular request. So let's go ahead and get started. So, where would I start with this picture? I'm going to start with a basic head shape here. Okay, so I'm going to start with the kind of with my cheekbone shape here. Okay. Bring my other cheekbone around here. Okay. I'm just going to bring my neck shape down a little bit here and give Loki his Loki tie there. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the upper head shape. Okay. So I'm gonna do something like this here. I'm gonna do my sideburns first. Something like that. And I think I want to do some round shapes here. Okay, one and two. Okay, now we're going to draw the top portion of the head. Okay, so he has kind of a bulbish head, so I think I'm going to do something like this. Okay. Looks good, right? And now let's do a little hairline here. So maybe something like this here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and put the rest of our hair shape. So I'm going to do a shape like so. Okay. And then I'm going to do another shape kind of like so. Okay. And then I'm going to bring this little curl out over here. Okay. And then we'll bring our shape down. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to figure out how far down I want it to go first. So I think somewhere around here. It's going to be awesome. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing kind of over here. Want to see where our shape is going to end up at first. This way we don't make it too long. Okay, and then we'll just do something like this here. So this looks good. Okay, and then we'll do another shape over here, something like this. Okay, and now I'll tell you what, we'll do this here. Okay, and then we'll put his little shoulders coming out like that. Alright, now let's go ahead and do our facial features. Okay, so we're going to need an expression here. So what I like to do is start with an overall expression first. Okay, so let's give Loki an expression. What does he look like? With some very simple lines. Well, those is definitely what his eyebrows would look like, right? And then from the nose, I'm looking at something kind of like this here. I'm gonna do something very pointy. Okay, and then what his mouth looks like in the closed position. He has that devilish smile, so I'll say something like that. Okay, and then if his eyes were closed, what I do is, well, let's go ahead and put the bridge of the nose first. So let's do this. He has a little bit of a hump right there, and then it just kind of comes down and drops into the nose. Okay, but if his eyes were closed, what would they look like? I think they would look something like this. Okay, that's like, you get it? It looks like his eyes are just closed and he's not doing anything, right? So now from there we'll build our eye shape. So let's go ahead and first of all do the brows. Okay. And then we'll put the little line over the eye like that. 1, 2, right? Now we'll put the bottom line here, so it'll go something like this. Okay. And then we'll put our little eye in there, right? Okay. And now let's put a little circle like this. Just a little circle. Okay. And then we want to put that pupil in there. Just like so. Okay. Now I want to kind of outline the cavern of the eye. Maybe give them 1 or 2 little lines here. And I'm going to put a very light line over here and kind of build my nose shape in just a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Alright, now we're going to draw a straight line here, like a little straight thin line. Okay, and then we're going to build a little bit of a mouth there, not too much, right? We don't want too much. And then he has a very small, almost non-existent lip at the bottom. Okay, in fact, we're going to just keep it like that. Okay, and then we will draw his little cleft for his chin. And I'm going to put a little line underneath here that's kind of dark. And that line will give me a good separation in between my head shape and the bottom shape. Okay, now let's do a little bit of the forehead. So we'll do something like this. Okay. And then we'll put that kind of, he has like a little bit of a sweeping line here. Okay, so I think our picture looks really good. This looks a really good cartoon of him. I'm going to go ahead and just start darkening in my eyebrows real quick. And once I start putting the darks in, you're going to really start to be able to appreciate Mr. Loki here. Okay. Alright. And, oh, you know what we got to put? You see these little lines right here? Very sparing, though. Very sparing. I don't want too much of it in there because that's not going to work out good for all parties involved. Alright. Now, what's next, guys? Let's go ahead and take a little gray here, and we're going to add some shadows, okay? So, let's continue on with our low-key cartoon creation. Okay, so we're just going to put some shadow right there between the eyes, right? Okay. And then check this out right here on that bump of the nose. Right? And you see how I kind of just reinforce my nose shape. Right? Pretty cool, right? And then we'll just put a little bit on the bottom lip there. Okay. Now let's add some shadows here just to kind of soften those expression lines up a little bit. I like put a little bit of shadow on top of them. Okay. It's my profile shade. Okay, now let's go ahead and liven up those ears a little bit. Just by adding a little bit of shade there, can do such a good thing there. Okay, and you got a few little lines here. I'm not gonna put too many, just something that's real light like that. You know what I mean? Something real light. Okay. Remember, we're drawing the god of mischief here, so he has to have furry brows, right? We gave him a mischievous look. Okay. Now let's do the hair. This is where it really gets fun at, guys. All right. So I'm gonna do this real quick with a poster marker. Okay. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, so that's the top part. Let's leave a little lighting in there, right? How's this going here? I think this is kind of doing like this. So I can just do that all the way down the side, right there. And the same thing. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and do this little curl here. I don't want to lose my hair here or lose that. So I see how I like to leave lines of lighting in between my shadow. They're so subtle, but they do a lot for the person that's on looking at the picture, because their brain can make sense of what's going on. So a little line will do you there. Okay, let's go ahead and just finish coloring in the bottom of the hair here. Okay. I think we're just about done there, guys. Okay. And let's just go ahead and give him a little bit of color to his jacket there, or his tie, excuse me. All right. And we're just about done, guys. And finally, I'm just going to put some reinforcing lines to kind of make my hair look really cool. Okay. And this is where you can do like small little details that make your drawing look super realistic. Let's go ahead and get those eyebrows, or lashes, excuse me, darkened in. And I'm gonna add a few little lines under the eyes there. You see that? Because Loki has kind of long. He has a little bit of, his eyelashes are kind of long. And then we'll just add a little bit of dark right here for his sinister little Loki smile. Okay. And last but not least, maybe over here we can just put Loki. So guys, I want to take this time to thank you for watching a little video tutorial here. I hope that you had a little fun drawing Loki. If your Loki came out cool, I'd love for you to share your Loki. You can share that with us on Facebook, Instagram. Just make sure you tag Rowserworld so that the browsers can see what you came up with. We can all laugh at our drawings together, right? Yeah, that's the purpose of caricature, so that we can have fun. It's not so that we can judge one another, right? Okay, so I'll be making some more videos and tutorials soon. You guys have a blessed and awesome day. And the Rouser will be seeing you next time. Until then, guys, happy cartooning.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.